So, hi everybody. Today I've got a wonderful unboxing video. You know what this is. This is an iPhone 12 Pro with the dynamic island. So it comes in a box. And I've got a couple of the boxes for comparison here as well. Got an iPhone 6s Plus box and an iPhone 10s Max because that's what I have on hand. So let's start off with what used to come in iPhone boxes. So way back in 2015, you got you got a phone, right? A phone. You got paperwork. You got a charger, which is amazing, and earbuds, but they're not in the container because I actually use them like an idiot. Now, if we upgrade to the 10s Max, right, we get the paperwork, and we get, what's that, a charger and earbuds, but you don't get the nice plastic case anymore. But what they've done with the, I think the 12 and later, is they have changed it. So in the box, you get obviously the iPhone itself, right? Nice iPhone 12 Pro. But then you just get a cable and the paperwork, right? And it's very tiny paperwork. You only get one Apple sticker now, which is cringe. But yes, let's take a look at the all new iPhone 12. So as you can see, we've got the dynamic island up there, and we've got the nice wallpaper. And if we unlock it with the swipe action, we can see that it is running the latest iOS 16 build. I've set it up already, obviously, but yeah, on the back you can see the Pro camera system, which is way bigger than it's been on any previous phone, which is kind of wild, but that's okay. So yeah, let me just update the phone real quick, because there was a patch that enabled like stuff to work better. Okay, so we can do a Geekbench run. So compared to previous phones, it's like they compared it to the A13 and the 11 series, which well, saying it's 40% faster than a chip that's like only, not 40%, 30% faster than a chip that's 20% slower than last year's chip is basically admitting that you're only about 10% faster. But that's okay because nobody should be upgrading to this all new 12 Pro series. Not 12 Pro, 14 Pro, fuck no. No one should be upgrading to the 14 Pro for performance, right? Like what you're looking after is battery life, and as you can see, we have a wonderful score, a whole like 624. That's pretty good. That is about 10% faster than the A15. But yeah, as you can see, the dynamic island kind of keeps out of the way, unless something needs to happen. So yeah, that's the iPhone 14 Pro.